Hi, we are Team 5. This is our presentation on is RJ useful. The hypothesis is RJ is useful for RP students, and the questions we asked are: does RJ help you to learn better? How often should RJ be given? The difference between SDG versus SOH that RJ helps us to learn better. These are the two main responses. Is our hypothesis true?
So how do we decide the sample sizes? So the sample size that we chosen is 60. Since the magic number is 30, we wanted something a little bit higher to ensure that the results was reliable and accurate, and eventually settled for 60. How do we select our participants? We select only RP students as we are the only school that does reflection journal.
How was the research conducted? We approached RP students face-to-face and witnessed them doing the survey. How you ensure that the software you used to collect the data was reliable? Since you approached the interviewees personally, you are able to ensure that the response are all RP students, since we are witness to the interviews.
The survey. For the question of does RJ help you learn better, 50.6% said yes, 35.8% said no, and the remaining 13.6% said not sure. And we actually broke it up even more, and out of the 50.6% who said yes, we have like almost equal amount of people from each year 1, year 2, year 3. For the people who said no, majority of them are from year 3. And for the people who said not sure, the majority of them is actually from year 1. As for the question of how often should RJ be given, a majority of them said every day, and the least of them said once every semester. So when comparing SEG and SOH, because they are the two main schools that responded to our survey, so we are comparing them. Most of them did say yes, and yeah, the least of them said not sure.
And the reason is that 50.6 says that it is helpful for students to learn better, and this means that majority of the students in Republic Poly agrees that RJ is useful. 53.1% of the students also thinks that RJ should be given daily, and from this I can conclude that most of the students find RJ helpful because it helps them to recap on their daily lessons in class.